Hi everyone, just a quick video on a Google form update that went unnoticed by me. And I don't know how long this little button has been here, but now as part of Google Forms, you can import questions from previously used forms. Now I've always had to go to add-ons and use this add-on called Form Recycler, which did the same thing to save time, but now it's right here and it's so easy. So you just click on import questions. It's going to pull up your previously used quiz. So here's a multiplication quiz I've used before. And now instead of typing, like name and a homeroom again, I can go ahead and do that. If I want to maintain my sections, I can click that. And I like that question, and let's say that question. I can just click import questions. And here are my questions from a previously used quiz. And I can come back and search for another multiplication quiz number 2 here, and it's going to list it here, and I can choose 2 of the questions from that, import, and it did put them at the top, so I may want to just drag, and you can rearrange these very easily. But my goodness, how easy is that? And it already maintains your answer key if you set that up as a quiz. And so it's going to maintain all of that information for you. It's going to bring over your images and everything. So this little button, import questions, if you're a Google Form user and you're like me and you have no idea when that button appeared, take a look at it. It's going to save you time and allow you to be more efficient as you create and use more Google Forms this school year. So I'm super excited to have discovered that little button, this little gem, time saver, that is going to make creation of Google Forms much quicker and easier. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Until next time, bye everyone.